All right, the birds travel 3,200 to 4,000 in a time 72 to 96 hours. And we're asked to find select values for minimum, average speed, and maximum. Well, this is a distance equals rate times time. And we're given a distance and we're given times. And they're asking us to find rates. So if I want to isolate R, that would be D over T equals R. But we want to find a minimum and a maximum. Now, if you have a fraction, D over T, how do you make that the minimum? Dealing with these distances and the rates. I want the smallest possible value. How, using these four numbers, how do I make the smallest number? Well, I would take the smallest distance and divide by the larger time. And if I do that,